The Maxi Cosi Citi is suitable for children from birth to approximately 6 months of age or until their shoulder reaches the height marker. Use this car seat rear-facing until your child's shoulders reach the lower height marker. After this, it's time to move to another child restraint. Please refer to your instruction manual for installation instructions and warranty information. To install the base, place your seat on your vehicle seat. Feed car seat strap through base and engage. Wait until you hear a click. Push down on the base and remove any slack. Extend your top tether strap. Connect your top tether to the vehicle anchorage points. Depending on your vehicle, you may need an extension strap. Tighten your top tether strap. The straps of your Citi must be in a position that is nearest to your child's shoulders, but not lower than their shoulders. Keep the infant insert in your carrier until your child needs more room. Remember to check your manual for more instructions and handy tips. For more information, please visit our website.